and we are going to show you today how Venice looks like.
Absolutely paradise.
We are in Venice and we're going to the beach. This is Shana.
Hello.
From Canada.
Yes, we're just gonna go and find out what the locals like to do for fun. We're gonna check out Muscle Beach. We're going to look at all the art. We're gonna check out the skate park.
This is how we walk from the place where I live to the beach. There's graffiti and street art everywhere. It's like a little paradise.
Fabulous. Okay, so you know, it's interesting. You look at the architecture, so you see the modern mixed with the older stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
Makes it interesting.
Okay, Shana, so I have a question in the meantime while we walk. What are the stereotypes that you know about Polish people?
Well, hardworking, handsome men, beautiful women, good cooks.
Shana, you're from Vancouver, right?
I am from Vancouver. That's the California of Canada. We produce movies there, and it's the warmest part of the country. So that's our Canadian California.
Another street art right there, everywhere. Hey, we're almost at the beach. Are you excited?
I'm very excited. Fantastic.
So this is the Venice Beach. Venice Beach Boardwalk. Every time when I come to Venice Beach, they are recording something.
He's big, he's quiet, and he's strong.
Oh, and quiet!
He's quiet. He's very quiet. He will never talk back.
Yeah, oh yeah. Churros is a typical Mexican dessert. We're gonna try some with Shana?
Absolutely not. The thing is that, I don't behave very well with such things.
If you walk on the Venice Boardwalk, or in Venice in general, you can smell weed everywhere.
It smells delightful.
Sorry.
Okay, you want to be in my picture?
This part is much calmer than the boardwalk we just left. Yeah, this is quiet and nice and very upscale. Some jazz music. That's
it is. But you know, the question is,
do you know how expensive are these apartments right by the beach?
I don't have a dollar figure for you, but I'm assuming we're well into the millions.
At least $4 million or $5 at least.
Yes. Beachfront property.
So Venice, like 10 years ago, was one of the cheapest neighborhoods in LA. But then, because it was cheap, all the tech companies started moving here. And they set up tech offices here. And now Venice and Santa Monica are two most expensive neighborhoods in Los Angeles. Walking to the Venice Pier, Venice Beach Pier.
So amazing, look at the water. Nice sea water, the sea air. Oh, this is absolutely paradise. So you can see, if you turn this way and you're looking at all the homes and the boardwalk, it's terrific. My goodness, like a massage to your feet.
Yeah, this is really nice.
This is great. And it feels so good. Woo!
It's quiet and nice and relaxing. And people come here to read a book.
I'm so glad you're down here. Listen, I can make you some sushi if you want. You want seaweed on the outside or the inside of your roll? Okay, this is
the Pacific Ocean. Pretty cold, right? Okay.
A little brisk.
Perfect for surfing.
There are spots on Vancouver Island. You can surf in Tofino. It's incredible. It's beautiful. But you definitely have to wear a wetsuit.
Okay. It's cold, yeah?
Yes.
Yes.
That's better. I'm going to doom. And you just step over.
No.
Yeah.
I'm super tired too. Bicycles.
Hola.
Muscle Beach.
Oh, it's But Joe Weider is the father of bodybuilding. He is a Canadian. Look at the sign.
Yeah, I see.
Oh, way to go, Joe Weider. Father of bodybuilding, and he was from Montreal, Quebec. Amazing.
Wow.
I can't even reach those.
Oh,
those rings.
But you have to, you can't reach? Oh, that's, I thought you were gonna do at least one pull-up. Pull yourself up, girlfriend. You can do it. Here we go.
I can't even hold myself.
Professional and impressive. See, now everyone wants to do it. Look.
Oh, that was the training for today. Now we're gonna go and see some skateboards. Wow.
I like the latest one because it's really good.
It's amazing. You have to be very talented and you have to have nerve steel. Excellent. Wait.
Vegan or vegetarian, everywhere. If you're vegan, this is a place for you. We had a ocean, upscale neighborhood, a pier, Muscle Beach, which is like a gym on a beach, and now this is a park on a beach.
Right here, sometimes people come with their roller skates and they dance. I think on the weekend
Oh,
they have
yeah.
their boxes and they actually dance. That looks fantastic.
Sean, do you wanna read some cards?
I can do your reading. I will tell you. I see success in your future. I see travel. I see incredible experiences and good cuisine. If you're gonna pay one of these people to tell your future, come and see me first. This one here.
Oh, this one.
This one is plain. That's not bad.
You just want a California or Venice Beach?
I don't know. It says Venice Beach on that too.
Yeah, if any of you guys want anything from LA, let me know and I'll bring or send anything.
Another one of these?
No problem.
You know, one of the most amazing things about spending this time with Karolina today is I've learned a lot about the beach, but I've also come to the realization that it doesn't matter where you go, people just want to enjoy the beautiful outdoors and stay fit and eat food.
Fit and happy and healthy.
Food.
Oh, and eat food, yeah.
Lots of food. Awesome.
We officially ended our Venice Beach adventure. How did you like it, Shana?
Amazing, amazing. I got a workout, I went shopping, I still have money.
I actually think Venice Beach is one of my favorite, if not favorite. I think it's my favorite place in Los Angeles.
Kitty. Hi, Kitty.
And I live right here, so if you need any more tips or advice or recommendations, you have to message me and I will give you some cool recommendations that you haven't seen in the video.
I'm just wondering where your favorite coffee shop and ice cream
Oh,
place
coffee
is.
shop at Abbott Kinney. The most hipster street, and it was ranked #1 street in America. Next video, Abbott Kinney Street.
Bye.
Bye.